great experience. Great fun.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Khayaal.
We enjoyed it a lot. There is a lot of things we have explored, we never been to there, and we really don't know okay, there's this much things are inside. Thank you so much Khayaal for giving us such a great event, and we want it more and more. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, are you excited for next one?
Yes, but keep it short.
Thank you for asking.
Preserving heritage.